Hello friends, I'm your S.M.B. So this video is going to be very useful for all the new YouTube creators. So watch it till the end. When I started my channel, I used the pipe with tied ropes for shooting the videos. Then after some days, I guess it was COVID situation, I prepared the mobile stand in the home itself, and it also helped me a lot in shooting videos. But its disadvantage is it was small. It requires some materials to increase its height. See this image, you will be getting idea. So recently I purchased the tripod stand. So see this tripod stand. Its condition is not good because unfortunately it fall down and it's one of its leg got broken because the basement is not so strong. So in this video I will show how to modify this tripod stand with the help of some materials. So watch it till the end. Let me show the required materials. So I will take this small size bucket. Its quantity is 5 kg and cement as well as RoboSand. So see this RoboSand, its appearance is same like cement. So if it is not available, you can use sand also. See this. And water is quantity sufficient. And our main intention is we should remove this centered rod from this tripod stand. Let me remove it. So take it out this centered rod from this tripod stand. So let's do